If you are looking for the questions with answers from the chapter 16, who will do this work, from EVS book of class 5, then you are in right place. There are the possible questions with their answers from this chapter in the video. If you want to get many more such videos with question and answer from different chapters of different subjects from different classes, then you may subscribe to this channel. Please don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified for all the upcoming videos.
Question 1. What do you mean by untouchability? Answer. Untouchability is a social institution that discriminates against people based on their caste, occupation and complexion. It is a practice that is rooted in the Indian caste system from a very long time. It is a practice of not touching the members of some particular caste, denying access to resources and bearing unhuman treatment from the upper castes. The people from such caste are considered as polluting. Dalits are also a group of people who are considered as untouchable. Question 2. What types of works did the untouchables do? Answer. The untouchables were forced to do particular jobs specified to them. They did not have a choice but to take up an occupation like cleaning, sweeping, garbage picking and such other odd jobs. Question 3. How were the toilets in Gandhiji's Sabarmati Ashram? Answer. The toilets in Gandhiji's Sabarmati Ashram had holes under which baskets were kept. People sat on the holes and later the baskets had to be lifted by hand and made emptied. Question 4. Why did Gandhiji and his team clean the toilets of the ashram themselves? Answer. In those days the culture of untouchability was rooted very deeply in the Indian society, but Gandhiji was very much against of this culture. He wanted to teach the common people about the equality of human beings and to raise the awareness among the people against untouchability. So he himself and his team did those works which were scheduled for the untouchables to put an example before the common people. That is why Gandhiji and his team cleaned the toilets of the ashram themselves. Question 5. What is about untouchability in India? Answer. Article 17 of the Indian Constitution abolished the practice of untouchability and made it illegal. Any practice of untouchability or any disability arising out of it is made a punishable offense by law.
This is the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and share it. Thank you for watching.